If you are live and you are here, let me know in the comment section. Let me know in the comment section. If you are live and you're here, let me know in the comment section. Let me know in the comment section. All right, where are you watching from? Let me know in the comment section. Where are you watching from? Where are you watching from? Drop in the comment section, where are you watching from? Okay, where are you guys watching from? Okay, I can see Daniel from Delta, Sherif from Nigeria, Gabriel from Benue State. I can see Tosin from Nigeria. I can see Bobby from Johannesburg. I can see Best from Jos, Sunshine from Warri also. Awesome. All right, so let's kick off for the day. Let's kick off for the day. And today, John from Kenya, you're welcome. Today we'll be analyzing Euro USD, looking out for market opportunities, position, so yes, giving a top-down approach. All right. So here we are on the weekly time frame. Let's go to the monthly time frame. Starting with the monthly time frame. Starting with the monthly time frame, here we have a downward slope. So firstly, we want to identify what is the current market trend. Okay, so on the higher time frame, we can see that the market is in a downtrend. Okay, okay, so you can see we are in a downtrend. You can see how price moved from here up, came down, and we can see, price moving in wave-like pattern. Okay, so now we've been able to identify as a downtrend. Yeah, now let's identify our levels of support and resistance. Okay, levels of support and resistance, we come here, put the line chart here. We come again, you spot this level is a level of support, all right, turned resistance, as you can see here, all right. And we can also see another level of support, all right, turned resistance. Okay, so here we can see how price struggle to break out of this level. We see how price struggle to break out of this level, okay, out of this level and out of this level. Okay, and we can see how price finally broke out from here. All right, having seen that, we see how price we touch this level, okay, and here as well. All right, so we can see how price finally broke out from here, and how price also broke out from here. All right, and we saw that price is now back to retest this region. Okay, so these are areas that we need to pay attention to and watch. All right, these areas we should watch them very well. They are very significant regions for us to pay attention to. So let's go down to the weekly time frame. So when we touch down on the weekly time frame, we can see that on the weekly time frame, we can see clearly what's actually going on. Okay, good. So we can see the channel of our downtrend. We can see that there has been a consistent support level here before price broke out this level. Okay, so we need to pay attention to this level where a breakout are taking place. So we need to pay attention to this level where a breakout are taking place. All right. So let's look at the daily chart. So looking closely on the daily chart, you see that price is building a bullish momentum. All right, price is building a bullish momentum. Here you can see that. Okay, price is building a bullish momentum here. All right, so this is also more like a retest of the previous support level. All right, a retest of the of the previous support level that was broken. Okay, the support level that was broken at this place is what is retesting here. So this retest can lead us to another breakout of this region, okay, or a continuous fall in price. And that is why we are paying attention to it now, to predict the higher probability of price movement. Yeah, so there is something I want you to observe. Okay, when you want to spot a potential breakout, all right, when you want to spot a potential breakout, watch out for these things I am about to share with you. If you want to spot a potential breakout, watch out for this thing I am about to share with you. So we can see that a breakout had occurred in this region, all right, and price has rallied down there, and price has come back to that support level turned resistance level. All right, now the moment you should start considering and expecting a breakout, okay, the moment you should start considering and expecting a breakout is when price starts lingering longer on the resistance level. If price starts lingering longer on the resistance level, what happens? A potential breakout cannot be denied. A potential breakout cannot be denied. Okay, if price lingers longer, a potential breakout cannot be denied. It's that simple. All right, so if you observe, let's observe what this breakout had done here, or what had happened previously. You will discover that price lingered for days on this region. Okay, see how price lingered for days on this region. So what happened? A breakout occurred. All right, if the same thing happens here and price lingers longer on and leans longer on this region, a potential breakout cannot be denied. A potential breakout cannot be denied. Okay, if you understand my explanation on spotting a potential breakout, let me know in the comment section. This is an interactive class. This is an interactive class, so let me know in the comment section. Let me know in the comment section. Let me know in the comment section. Okay, let me know in the comment section. If you understand what the insight I shared about spotting a potential breakout, let me know in the comment section. Also, good. I can see a lot of persons really understood it. Okay, great. Good. So when you want to spot a potential breakout, what do you expect? Like I shared earlier, you will discover that if a potential breakout is about to occur, price would linger longer on the resistance level or the support level. In this case, we are at the resistance level. So when you see price lingering longer and leaning more and more closer to the resistance level, a potential breakout is in view. Awesome. So what do we expect here? In the long term, when price keeps lingering on this level here, we are expecting a potential breakout. Let's go to the lower time frame to see if we can spot more opportunities on the lower time frame. So on the lower time frame now, we can see that there is a sign of a bearish pullback. All right, more like having touched the resistance zone here, it pushed back a bit. Okay, so let's see what price will do from here, because it is important for us to pay attention to what price is going to do. This region, okay, this region is a resistance region, right? So if price keeps lingering in this resistance region towards this level, there will be a potential breakout. If price breaks out of this box, okay, if price breaks out of this box, all right, there would be a fall in price. There will be a fall in price, maybe to the next resistance level here or here. Okay, okay, so at this point here, if this price falls out of this rectangular shape here, we might see a further fall in price to this level or to this level, all right, which is more like the next support level. Might see price falling further below the next support level. Let's go further to the 1 hour time frame, if we can spot further opportunities there. So now, why is it important for you to look at lower time frames? in comparison to higher time frames. It's also part of the multiple time frame analysis, because the lower time frame gives you insight into what is currently happening. Okay, what is currently happening in the most shortest period of time. So here now we can see that price is what is trying to find a way out. So once price falls out of this region, okay, that is like a potential what? A potential sell off, okay, to either here or continue to fall down to here. Awesome. So for the USD chart now, we have to wait to see some of our metrics play out. Once these metrics are playing out, what next? So if the price leans continuously on the resistance level, a potential breakout is in view. If the price breaks out of this level, price might continue to fall. So these are two important things for us to watch out for. All right, we are not jumping on the trade now. We have to patiently wait for the trade to play out. What other? Let's look at USD JPY. USD JPY. Are you following? Let me know in the comment section. Are you following? Are you following? Let me know in the comment section. Are you following? Let me know in the comment section. Awesome. Awesome. I can see a lot of us are following. Great. 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 Awesome. So, as we look at USDC JPY, I want us to pay attention to the top-down approach. We are starting with the monthly time frame. Okay, the top-down approach, we are starting with the monthly time frame. So from the monthly time frame, you can see that for a while now we've had a ranging chart on the monthly time frame. Okay, So when you look closely, you will discover that we've been on a ranging chart for a while now. All right, on a monthly time frame. Okay, and you discover that price had just broken out of certain resistance level. Okay, here. All right, let's look at the weekly time frame. What is the weekly time frame saying? So here is the weekly time frame. All right, so the weekly time frame is showing us that there is a bearish momentum. All right, don't forget this level is a key level of resistance zone. All right, this level here is a key level of resistance zone. If you look closely, you discover that price had gotten here in a long while. The last time price is currently at where the price is, all right, in 2022, as at today, the price is trading at 140. So it's like within this month, or in the month of April, okay, this is October. In the month of October, price had actually gotten to around 149, which was a level that had last been touched since 1998. Okay, this is a level that has last been touched since 1998, and currently we are now at that level. Okay, so price would not just run through that level, because when you look at the rooms to the left, you discover that there is no price footprint on that price level until 1998. Price had not gotten to this level, okay, until 1998. Okay, price had not gotten to this level until 1998. So this level is a very significant level to watch out for. This level is a very significant level to watch out for. Okay, very significant level. So this level is a key resistance level, because price had not gotten here in a long time. So it was bound for us to see a rejection at that level when price got there. All right, now, so some of us are like, tell us when to buy and when to sell. This is the reason why you would keep losing money, because trading is not all about just buying and selling and buying and selling and being, blowing your account always. Okay, successful traders are those who wait for a good setup. You don't have to be jumping in and out of trade to be a good trader. All right, so let's pay attention and know the reasons why things play out the way they are playing out. So when you look at this now, you discover that price had gotten to this same level in a while. Okay, so when price is coming to that same level, it will be very difficult for price to just break through it. Why? Because traders, investors, institutions are also looking at that level as a level to take profit. Okay, because they've known that, oh, this level, price had already gotten to this level before. In the last time was 1998. 1998 to 2022 is a long time. A long, that's almost 23 years, if not 22 years. Okay, and that's what we are seeing here. All right, so we would now have to look at lower time frame to see what is ongoing on the lower time frame. Okay, so here on the weekly time frame now, you can see this fully bodied bearish candle, okay, dragging price far down after getting to an all-time high of 151, okay, in the last 20 years, 20 plus years. So let's go to the daily time frame. Now on the daily time frame now, these lower time frames gives us insight. Okay, this when we go deeper into lower time frames, it gives us insight into what is currently happening within those time frames. So we are able to keep track of what? Of the consistent price movement within different time frames. All right, and these are very important. So you can see what price has been doing here at this resistance region. Okay, now price got here, and was rejected, okay, and fell. All right, now if you observe, look at what price is doing at this place. Okay, price is what? Ranging here. Let me zoom in so that we can see it clearly. Okay, this is what price is doing here. So if this price now, if you can see, you will see that it's trying to lean against this level outside this box. All right, if this price breaks down, price would continue to fall. If this price breaks out, price will continue to rise. Okay, that is it. If this price breaks down out of this region, price will continue to fall. If this price breaks out of this region, price will continue to rise. We need to pay attention to understanding what price is doing for us to make intelligent decisions, and decisions that would mitigate against risk. All right. Are we together? So here we are looking out for either a potential breakout to the downside or a breakout to the upside. Either ways, you have to position yourself. Okay? Some of us don't know there is this package for you that if you are interested in getting your deposit doubled, all right, so let's say you deposit $100 now and you want to have $200 in your account, you should use this my promo code. When you want to trade on Octa FX, when you trade on Octa FX and you deposit, use my promo code to get double of your deposit. All right, get double of your deposit. Okay, use this promo code to get double of your deposit. Are you looking to deposit $1,000, $2,000, $3,000, $5,000, $10,000, and you want to get double of your deposit? Use this promo code. Okay, good. Yes, I love that motto by Robert. Learn before you earn. Yes, learn before you earn. Yes, thank you, Robert, for dropping that. Yes, so we need to learn and then we can earn. That's very important. So here we go. Okay, wait for either a breakout of this region or a breakdown from this region. So I want to ask everyone now, let's go down to the 4 hours time frame. The 4 hours time frame. What is the 4 hours time frame telling us? What is the 4 hours time frame telling us? So if you look closely into the 4-hour time frame now, and you can see what price is doing at the 4 hours time frame. Okay, so to me this looks like a bearish wedge, so which is inciting that price will drop down further. All right, so however it is still subject to market sentiment. So if price breaks out of this region, then we might see price go higher. All right, and if price breaks out of this, we might see price go lower. Okay, you would get double of your deposit. If you deposit lower than 100, you will get double of your deposit. Any of your deposits, you will get double of it. Just use the promo code. All right, just use the promo code. Yes. Awesome. So here now, let's look at the 1 hour time frame. Good. Now, there is something I want you to observe about this. The 1 hour time frame is showing us that what? Price is lingering longer on this level, okay, depicting a potential breakout to the upside, okay, depicting a potential breakout to the upside. As you can see, okay, good, because price is lingering so much on this level. All right, so we are seeing a potential peak in price. If you have any question, let me know in the comment section. Let's give room for questions. If you have any question, ask in the comment section. Thank you very much, Godwin Elijah. This class is really interesting. Thank you very much. Octa FS has put this together and made this possible. Okay, so Kelvin Odo, thank you very much for that question. Why do I think after lingering it would break out? Okay, good. So it's probability. All right. However, there is higher probability and there is lower probability. When price is lingering longer at a particular level, there's a higher probability it wants to break through that level. So I would show you insights. Okay, let me show you insight. I'm looking for a possible let me use the 4 hours. Okay. Look at this. If you observe closely here, you discover that before price could break out from this level, it started leaning on this resistance level, leaned on it until it finally broke out from it. All right, so you can always cross-check it with every occurrence that you see. You will discover that when there is too much, when price is leaning too much consistently on a particular direction, there is a potential breakout at about to happen. Okay. So someone said, Octa FX, this is really interesting. I love it all from you. Thank you very much, Kelly B. We appreciate your presence. Yes. So that's it. When price leans longer on it, you can always check it on every occurrence. Okay, every breakout you see, you will discover that price lingered longer on those levels, okay, before a breakout. So look at this. Do you observe this? So this is a resistance level, all right, but you see that price started lingering longer on this level, and what happened? There was a breakout. A breakout occurred. Okay, so when you go and check it, you always see that historically it yields more results historically. Yes, major news can negatively affect your analysis, so you have to pay attention to, you don't trade during the when a news is about to be released. Okay, I don't recommend that anyone trades when an hour before the news, or after the news, immediately after the news. No. Okay, it's important that you trade before the news, all right? So, or you trade currencies that don't have major news on them. Okay, so that's my own personal opinion. All right, you can always tend to discover yourself and know which one sits well with you, all right, and which one you are comfortable with. Okay, so yes, this analysis I'm taking you on is price action. All right, price action. When we talk about price action, we are looking at price as a factor to determine the future movements of price. Okay, we are looking at price as a factor. Okay, price as a factor. Yes, that's what we are doing. We're looking at price as a factor. Any other question? Any other question? We're about rounding up. Any other question? Any other question? Any other question of the day? Don't forget to use the promo code. Yeah, so regardless of your account size, if you are conscious, if you use proper risk management, you will progress. Okay, because a drop of water can make a mighty ocean. Why is it that if I place a trade it will start going against me? Okay, not necessarily that it started going against you, but you did not analyze properly. And yes, it is not just peculiar to you. Okay, sometimes I analyze the market and it goes against me. All right, so it is, let's say, it is part of the game. Okay, however, it is important for you to learn how to mitigate the risk of you always being on the other side of the market. All right, you should not always be at the other side of the market. So that's why you are here. I would recommend that you go over this video and the ones that I've been talking about and other videos on Octa FX side to get insight into how to analyze the market properly. You discover that the rate at which market will be going against you would reduce. All right, would reduce. Can a new account? Sure, you can get promo with any of your accounts. Just use the promo code. Okay. How do you handle fake breakouts? You handle fake breakouts by minimizing your risk. Okay, because you will never know if it is fake breakout or not. That's just the fact. You will never know if it is a fake breakout or not. All right, and that's it. So when you minimize your risk, you not see that, oh, it comes and eats your stop loss. Okay, this thing is a fake breakout, and that's fine. All right. So, but also how to prevent a fake breakout, how to know a fake breakout. When there is a breakout, okay, wait for a retest. There are 80% chances of a retest after a breakout. So when there is a retest, okay, if the retest now goes back into the region where price broke out from, then you know that, okay, this is a fake breakout. But if it retests the level and it keeps coming down, then you know that, oh, this is not a fake breakout. All right, so that's it. So one, I would recommend that you go over these videos and learn more about what we've been talking about. Give yourself deep insight into analysis and the likes. And yes, I appreciate you all for being present here, and thanks to Octa FS for making this a reality and giving you the opportunity to learn on a live session like this. All right, what do you suggest? Daily or 4 hours time frame, different patterns? So like, there is no unique, each time frames are unique to the other. All right, so there is no best, just depends on what you are looking for, how long you want to stay in the market. Okay, the promo code is on the screen. That's it there, Tunmise 100. Awesome. So thank you. We have come to the end of today's session. I believe that you got value from today's session. Please do well to subscribe to this channel, click on the notification bell, and be the first to always get notified when we come live on our sessions. All right, I look forward to seeing you next week in our next live session. Thank you very much, guys.